Hi friends, welcome to your clay day. Today we are going to paint our pinch pots. They right now are super hard. The kiln took out all the water and moisture, so you can no longer shape it. It has already been shaped last week together. Today we're going to add some paint, and this paint is called Glaze. Your glaze is going to look like this. You will choose one color and paint it 3 layers. So that means paint one layer of your color, let it dry. It'll dry really quick. You'll see. Paint a second layer of the same color, let it dry. And then paint the third and final layer, let it dry. There are some rules, okay? You cannot paint the bottom of your pinch pot. What you need to do is paint all the areas of your pinch pot. So let's look at this one. You're going to paint the inside, the edges, okay? And don't paint the bottom. So I like to paint my pinch pot and I turn and rotate while it's on the table. I try and look at all different edges because if you miss some edges, you are going to have a pinch pot that looks something like this, okay? Get all the edges, make sure there's no more white showing, and paint at least 3 layers. You'll see on here that this artist, it was me, didn't paint fully 3 layers, okay? You see in some areas where it's nice and shiny, and then there's some areas where there's not, and there's some areas where I completely missed. So please make sure you paint your entire pinch pot. Hang out with me. I'm going to show you what it looks like and how they look like when they're done.